Hey everyone, Shannon with the Coastal Garden here. I just got up to my northern Florida garden and it actually is surprisingly doing so much better than I thought it was. So let's go take a peek. So I was pretty worried pretty much about leaving it for almost 3 weeks. But we've gotten some rain, so it looks pretty good. These are I think those are Delilah's, if I'm not mistaken. And this is all my romaine that's bolted. I usually leave that for the bees though, and I've got zinnias incorporated in here and some coleus. That one looked like it snapped though. That coleus is done. Then over here, got some peppers and basil, marigold. This bed is looking like really good. I actually just took one of the biggest green peppers I've ever had on one of my pepper plants. So we harvested that off and we are going to probably have that with our dinner tonight. And look at these pretty zinnias. They're so beautiful. The green stock tower. Oh, there's a nice little onion. Get that guy. Onions didn't turn out too big, but I got a lot of them. So happy about that. This is kind of hard to keep up here. Oh my gosh, look at the, that is quite a bolt. It's kind of hard to keep watered because I can't really put it on a timer until I get some more hoses run out here. And then what I did at home is I bought a hose and just clamped it to the top, and then it's on a timer to fill up for like a minute. So this bed has a cucumber in it. And some different flowers and everything. This is a weed that I need to get out of here. My mums have come back with a vengeance. Those look great. Some gaillardia. Got some honeybees on there as we speak. This is an obedient plant I got from a local garden club here, and there's some volunteer zinnias. And then look at this. I'll have to show you on the other side, but I got a pretty flower. Isn't she a beauty? So that's about it here, other than my zinnias that are really, really pretty. Those look awesome. And I've been getting these teeny tiny butterflies. They're so cute. I've never seen such a tiny little butterfly. Oh, we have my fruit garden. Let's go check that out. Almost forgot about this bed. So I have grapes along either side, and then these are raspberries and blackberries, which shame on me, I planted them and they're already traveling like maniacs, so those are probably gonna have to come out. I have blueberries in here. I did all my onions along the outskirts of this bed, and they actually did very well. And I have a bunch of these yellow carrots in the middle, and I pulled a bunch for dinner tonight, but I'm gonna just kind of leave them and harvest them as we need them. And then I have some strawberries here that they're struggling a little bit, but I want to say those are bonnies that I bought from the store. I live in Central Florida and we're strawberry country there. So, I like to get just local strawberries from the farmers there. So we'll see, and then I also have some olives on my olive tree. It's really cool. So got the girls here. They're all patriotic for the summer. We had a massive limb come down, so we get to chop that up tomorrow and get more firewood. But anyways, I'm actually really, really happy with how the garden is doing here. I'm stoked actually. And then all the rest of the stuff looks okay. I did lose, you can see right there, that was a I believe it's like a western cypress tree or something, and we transplanted it and it just did not do well at all. I think our soil is pretty acidic here, because we're on the river, and that's what I've heard anyway. We did do a soil test. I didn't get the soil test back, but my lawn guy did, and he put down the stuff that we needed to do. But I kind of need to know what's going on with the soil because of stuff like this. Like, I spend a lot of money on these trees, and a lot of times they're pittering out. But this is a beautiful Japanese maple's doing well. And then I got this one from the clearance rack at Lowe's. It was half dead, which is a Texas sage, I believe. And those get those beautiful purple flowers on them. So, but yeah, that's about it. So thank you all for coming along and checking out my garden with me. I'm gonna be turning over some beds in the next couple days and getting some new stuff planted. It's almost kind of time to start thinking about the fall garden, which is crazy to think about as hot as it is right now. I'm gonna have to start thinking about the fall garden. So anyway, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.